What do you think is better, online or face-to-face training? Online training is often the budget-friendly choice. You save some pennies and you can do it at your own pace. Plus, some people prefer learning solo where there's no pressure. But online learning can sometimes feel like a race to the finish line. People might just skim through, guessing test answers without really learning. And when you're stuck or confused, there can be no one to ask. It can be pretty lonely with no real classroom atmosphere. And let's be honest, sometimes it's just not that interesting. Then there's the issue of different learning styles. Not everyone gets what they need from online training. Plus, it's tough to confirm learning without hands-on practice. Sometimes online courses feel generic and don't fit your specific industry. And if English isn't your first language, understanding everything on screen can be a puzzle. So I'd say we prefer face-to-face training at Elite Force Safety. It's often more interactive with discussions and hands-on activities. For practical topics, it's perfect. You get direct feedback from instructors, and if something's not clear, you can just ask.
So when you worked at Nike, I take it all their stuff comes in like this and we're doing that.
Plus, the atmosphere is usually livelier. I do understand that logistics can be difficult, especially trying to get everyone together on one day. And it tends to cost more, but if you really learn and remember, then the cost is well worth it. So that's my verdict. Face-to-face training is better than online training. Which one's your pick? At Elite Force Safety, we're committed to bringing military standards to workplace training. If you found this information helpful and would like to learn more, please visit our website or leave a comment under this video and we'll be sure to get back to you.